Hi mga higala, kumusta? And welcome to Cebuano 101 Bisaya lessons. And this is Judy. I'm here to teach you how to speak the Bisaya, the Cebuano dialect in a conversational way. Okay, in this episode, I am going to discuss President Duterte's bad words, and we are going to decipher all of them. As we all know that President Duterte is from Davao City, Davao del Sur, Mindanao. The language in Davao is somewhat a bit different from the Cebuano from Cebu. Okay, the Davaoenos, how they speak is a mixture of the Cebuano dialect and the Tagalog dialect. It's a mash-up. Alright? So, just like with other languages, these bad words can be used in a playful or serious way. It depends on the tone, facial expression, the situation, and how it was delivered. We all know that Mr. President likes to say bad words on television. He is gaining a lot of attention worldwide by using bad words on television. Alright, but we are going to discuss the Bisaya bad words that he uses in his speeches. Bad word that he really loves to use is putangina. Although putangina is not Bisaya, it is actually a Tagalog word which means puta ang ina mo. Putangina is a shortcut of puta ang ina mo, which means your mother is a whore. Puta means whore, and ina is a mother. Ang means is, mo is yours. Puta ang ina mo. Personally, I believe the locals here in Cebu rarely use these putang ina bad words. I haven't even heard one local say putang ina. The next one is very popular or common bad word, at the same time expression among the Cebuanos, maybe in other areas here in the Visayas and Mindanao. The buang means silly or crazy. This is a common bad word expression, so if you hear this word, don't be offended easily. It could mean just an expression. Okay? I'm going to give you some examples of how to use the buang word. Okay, let's say binuang ra means it's just a joke. It's just a joke, man. It's just a joke. Okay? It's Huy buang. It's like you're calling your best friend or close friend buang. Okay? Do not use or do not name a person buang, especially if you're calling a stranger. You're really gonna get a fist fight for that, or you're really gonna get into trouble. Okay, it's very rude to say or to call somebody buang if you're not really close to that person. All right, next, buang ka. Are you crazy? Are you silly? Buang ka. Okay. Okay, the use of buang again can be offensive depending on the tone, facial expression, how it was delivered, and the situation. Okay, the third one that I heard Mr. President use in one of his speeches is yawa. Yawa means devil or demon. One example is asa maning mga yawa ani. Okay, which means where are these devils? Usually I use this word in a playful manner. So it's like, asa maning mga yawan, especially if I am waiting for somebody or a group of people, a group of friends, for example, and then I would say, asa maning mga yawaan eh? But I don't mean anything than that. It's just an expression. Okay? Okay. The following bad words that you're about to hear from me are words that I haven't heard from Mr. President yet. But since we're talking about bad words, why not discuss all of them, the popular ones. Okay, so number 1, amaw, which means fool. Okay, and I'm gonna give you some examples of it. How to use the amaw is, amaw ka, are you fool? Or it's like, okay, are you fool? It's like you're saying you are a fool, amaw ka. And then you can also say mga amaw means fools. Next, amawa, foolish. Amawa good nimo means you are doing something foolish. What a foolish of you. It's like that. Inamaw, foolishness. Inamaw manang imo. What you're doing is foolishness. Okay. And here's another popular word, which is a borrowed word from the Spanish, tonto. It means stupid. Tonto ka? Tonto, pagkatonto, which means tonto ka is you are stupid. Pagkatonto, such a stupid. Tinonto, stupidity. Okay? And here's a slang word, tongtorogok, which means stupid and old foul smelling egg, which is bugok, mash up together, so we get tontorogok. Okay, another popular word, bad word, is piste, means pest, nuisance, a parasite. It's like, a pest, the characteristic of a pest, piste. And one slang word for a piste is fishte, which means you just, so it won't sound so obvious, you say fishte. Okay, examples for piste. Pistika, you're a pest. Next, patyuntika, I'm going to kill you. Most of the time this is used as an expression. Usually locals say this to emphasize that what you're doing is something not acceptable, so straighten up. Okay, another expression is kalami patyunimo, which means I wanted to kill you, or I desired to kill you, but I couldn't, of course, because it's against the law. I just want to emphasize this, that the use of these bad words can be offensive, so the person may use this in a playful or in a serious manner. Okay, alright, let's proceed. There are a couple more, so stay with me. Alright, atay means stupid. Ataya, stupidity. Giatay ka, you are stupid. So we have a song entitled Gugmang Giatay, which means stupid love. You might want to hear that. It's a nice song. Animal means animal, behaving like animal without manners. Okay, animal ka, you're such an animal. Animala ka, you're such an animal. Mga animal ni mga tawhana, these guys are acting like animals. Okay, these two words that I'm about to say are commonly used by the youngsters. Okay, which are kayata, means F-U-C-K. Kayasa is a slang word of kayata, which means also F-U-C-K. I don't use this word because I don't like it. Okay, if you hear somebody using these phrases, combining bad words all together, that means that person is really, really pissed off. So, here are the examples. Pistika yawa ka, animala ka. It's like, you're a pest. You're a devil. You're an animal. It's like, okay. Next, giatay na piste. So what a stupid pest. Patyunti kang buanga ka. It's like, I wanna kill you, you crazy bitch or bastard. It's like that. Buang kang animala ka. You're one crazy animal. Piste animal, patyunti kang yawa ka. Means pest, animal, I want to kill you, you devil. Okay, so one way to spot if President Duterte is really pissed off is when you hear him mash these bad words together. That means he's really pissed off. And yeah, I think that's the end of this Bisaya lessons. I hope you learned something and you enjoyed this video. Okay, that's it for today, and I want to see you next week. Bye bye.